Today I'm going to do a demonstration on the Ninja Nutri Auto IQ. It's just a new machine that we've purchased, and we're going to make a smoothie with it, and to show you how easy and basically how simple it is to operate. If you look further up, you'll see that we have the controls. Sorry about the shake here. And you've got the stop, start, you've got the pause, you've got the blend, and you've also got the ultra blend with the timer in the middle. So we'll show you how that operates. Now for this smoothie, we're going to use this size cup here. You've got a line on it, the maximum line where you fill up to, and you don't obviously go over that. I've got some frozen mixed fruit here with some berries and other types of stuff, which we're going to put in like that. So that's kind of our frozen stuff. I don't tend to use ice for this, but we do obviously use a bit of ice cream, which we'll put in just now. Now, as you can see, I don't really use a great deal of ice cream, alright, just enough, just a couple of little bits, because the more ice cream that you put in it, the thicker the milkshake becomes. I don't like it too thick. Now, I'm going to use this thing here called tropical juice, which is the liquid that we're going to put in. So we're now going to top that up. Try and show you as I'm doing this to the line. Okay, that's just about there, that's fine. So, as you can see, we've reached the line. We've got our frozen fruit, the ice cream, and of course the juice. There's a little bit left, might as well just put the rest in. There we go. And now we're going to screw it up with the blade, which is like that. This particular blade is quite sharp also in places, but it does well, it breaks ice and all sorts. So we'll put that on and tighten the lid up. Okay, you don't want to over tighten it, alright, that's the first thing you want, you don't want to over tighten it. Okay. When you turn the cup inside the blender itself, this will light up. Okay. Plus there's also a click, alright, a little click. Now all your frozen stuff's at the top here, juice and your ice cream. I'm just going to use the Auto IQ blend, okay, Auto IQ blend. It is quite noisy, so you won't be able to hear me during this. But it does pulse itself, and you'll see what happens as we do this. So we'll press the IQ button. And as you can see, it does pulse. Now that's it finished, okay, and as I'm just about to show you, it won't be too thick just now because I don't like it too thick. However, it has done a good job. I can actually feel it. So we're going to open it now, alright. Just make sure you're getting this, just take this down a little. So we're going to open the cup, scrape off some of the excess. Now that's interesting because I want you to look at that there. If you can see on the blade, a piece of fruit, which is unusual because that's not supposed to happen. What I'll also do is, I'll just take a spoon, just check there is no huge lumps or anything. There's nothing at all. Now going to pour it into the glass. Like that. Okay. And I'll give it a taste. can tell you about it is, whew, it's one of these drinks. Could have been doing a little bit thicker, of course, with some more ice cream in it. But it's one of these drinks that really kind of pulls your taste buds together. Whew, and quite strong. I have noticed that the berries that we pulsed, I'll just show you around the lid here. You can still see part of the berries there. I probably could have been doing with pulsing it a little bit more, simply because if I was using an ingredient that used nuts, for instance, then I would expect these nuts to be well grounded, downed, pulped. But however, it's still a good drink, very, very tasty indeed, and I would definitely recommend it. It's got 1000 watt motor in it, and to me it's ample for what you need. So, having made the first smoothie, I've decided that I'm going to make another one. This time I'm going to make it a little bit more thicker for you, just to let you see the difference. So again, very similar, frozen fruit. We've got berries, blackberries, various other types of fruit in here. I'm not sure what they are, so I'll dump them in anyway. It's just a mixture. Okay. Oops. Don't want to put that in, do we? And the next thing I want to do is put a little bit more ice cream in this time, so dig out a little bit more, just to make it a little bit more thicker. I think that should be plenty. In fact, I think that's more than enough, but we'll let you see that in a little while. The juice again I'm going to use, I'm not going to put as much in again. This time I'm only going to take it to the mark, because I felt with the last one we'd gone a little bit too much, so I think that's just about enough there. And this juice that I'm using is a tropical juice. Quite good flavour in it. You can change to apple juice or whatever, orange juice, basically just whatever type of juice you like. So that's that, all ready to go, if you can see it there. Next thing I want to do is put the blade, cut blade on, so take that. That's it, not over time, just enough. Switch the machine on, as you can see in the background there. I'll just bring it up a little now, just to let you see. Drop it down, turn it till it clicks. That's it. Okay. Not a lot can go wrong here actually. So the next time I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. I'm going to go the Auto IQ blend. Couple of pulses. And already it looks thicker. Now it's looking a lot thicker than the last one. Okay, as I say, it is looking a lot thicker than the last one. Okay, so here we go. Take the top off. Oh, sometimes it's a little bit tight. There we go. Already I can see that's more thicker than the last one was, as you can see there. So I'm now going to pour it, if I can, into a glass. How good does that look? I hope you're seeing this. I'll move over a little bit more. I hope you're actually seeing this. There we go, that's the inside of the jug. That's the drink, the smoothie now made. I'll just taste it. That one is really thick. To be fair, you could use a little less ice cream in it, but just to let you see there how thick it is, and with all those lovely mixtures of fruit in it, the taste of this is absolutely superb. So again, I would highly recommend that you buy one of these machines. Let's move over a little. Clean up. These machines, to be fair, are half price at the moment. I think you're picking them up for around 50 quid, and it's a bargain. So a lot more you can do with it. I'm just showing you basically some smoothies, and so until the next time, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.